Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 1 on CR26 version B. It says to find 80% of 15. There's more than one way to go about this, but I find tape diagrams helpful. So what I would do is I would take a tape diagram. I would say this end of it would be 0%. Should be a 0%. The entire tape diagram would represent 100%. I care about 80%, so I have to think about how to break this tape diagram up. Well, if I break it up into 20%, this would be 20%, and then I break it up again, another 20%, that would get me to 40%. Another 20% would get me to 60%. Another 20% would get me to 80%, and then I'd be up to 100%. So I can see I broke it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. And all I did was I started with the fact that I needed to get 80%, and I saw what percent can I go by to make my jumps easy. So I went by 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And I know my total is 15 here. So my total is 15. Well, if I take 15 and break it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, each part represents 20%. So I'll take 15 and divide it up into 5 parts. So there'll be 3 in each box of our tape diagram. Now I care about 80%, so I care about how many of these boxes? For 80%, I care about 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. So I could do 3 times 4 if I want, and that will give me 12. 12 is 80% of 15. Let me tell you, 1.2 is a very small part of 15. If it's 80%, it's more than half. Well, half of 15 would be 7.5. So 5 and 1.2 don't even have a shot. So it was really between 10 and 12, because 50%, half of 15 is 7.5. And we need more than 7.5. All right, so that's a way to eliminate some answers. Hope that helps. Tape diagrams are pretty nice when we're dealing with percents.